guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to share some of the new goodies for April. We have a restock of the mini paper doilies from Doodlebug. These colors, they're just really pretty. I like to share which ones kind of match with this month's collections. So I'm going to go over some of the products for you. For the Paper Pad Club this month, there's this paper pad, Life Begins After Coffee. It's got an option to add coordinating ephemera. So you could purchase this as a one-time purchase or join the club and save 18% off. Get it delivered to your door monthly. This one here matches very nicely. This is the Bonbon color. I think I only have one left though for that particular color. We've got the white that will match all collections. You can also spray the white with your sprays and create your own custom colors. And we've got black that would match very nicely as well. And this is called Beetle Black. The other pad in the Paper Pad Club this month is Flowery Meadow, which is got this really beautiful purple and green. We've got this one goes very nicely. This purple is the lilac color. And we also have green. So this green here is the Limeade. And I went ahead and cut out the images that come in this paper pad. You could create your own ephemera. There's 4 sheets of this in there. Really, really pretty little images with the deer and the flowers. Here's some greenery. You can create your own flower cluster here with these really beautiful flowers. There's a sleeping deer, a circle, and a flag. So we can create a really cute card with that. There's some beautiful faux glitter in here. Really lovely patterns. There's 4 sheets of this, so you can create plenty of ephemera. And then that Life Begins After Coffee. Let me flip through this really quick. It's really, really pretty. I love the little pop of red in there. There's a pop of pink with all those neutral beiges. Really pretty. And the ephemera, let me pop a picture in so you can see all this laid out. Really, really pretty. There's a large coffee cup in there you can create a shaped card with. That's going to be really fun. This Stardust Stickles is my favorite. This one is now restocked. Love it. It adds a touch of sparkle to your cards. If you missed the live stream, I shared all the products, but in this video, we will do it quickly. And also, if you're watching Bree H and Tina Morris, if you would send me your email with your address, I can get your cards out to you. So I had 4 winners from the live stream win some of the cards that I created on the live stream, and these are 2 of them that I have not mailed out yet. So one's for Tina and one's for Bree H. Just give me an email and I'll get those out to you right away. Here's 2 other cards that I created using the box of the month. So really enjoyed coloring these images. They're so pretty. I also created this really cute little flip book or mini album. And with the ephemera, you can tuck little like photos in there. So I left some of the glue off of the ephemera so you could tuck in little images or photos or little journaling spots. So that was a fun project. This project here is I'm working on this for my channel members. If you're interested in joining my channel membership, you could click the join button down by the subscribe button. Or sometimes you don't see the join button. You can look in our description box and I have a link in there. You can read more about it. There's a couple tiers. So I'll be showing them how I created this really cute pizza box with this belly band. And on the inside, we'll be doing some cards. I'll fill this up with some note cards. So just a really fun, cute little project. And that collection here is the Cup of Flowers that comes in your box of the month. Really beautiful paper pad. The watercolor style on here is just gorgeous. Love those polka dots, the watercolor background, the stripes, and then the cactus images. They're so, so cute. Look at those hearts. Love that paper pad. And then there's coordinating ephemera, and I'll lay a shot out so you can see what's inside. The other collection is called Succulent, and it's really pretty. It's got these beautiful greens with this deep, deep background. I think that page is stunning. Look at that, so pretty. Love this one with the flowers and those hand-painted stripes in the background. And then this one has diamonds. So, so cute. And then there is coordinating ephemera. And I'll have a still shot of all the pieces laid out for you. Really, really cute. I am taking pre-orders for the Easy Wonder Die #1. I've opened up pre-orders again, and the pre-orders will last until April 7th. I'll be putting my order in. Awesome, amazing die. Check out LV Handcrafted, her YouTube channel. She's got a fabulous live stream on there with all her friends using this die. So there's so many ideas for this die. I hope you check it out. There's also some samples on the back, and also there's an option to add on the introductory class or the advanced class, or both at a discounted price when you pre-order this die. So those options are available. Actually, this card here that I shared earlier, I used that die to create this. The 3 stamp sets are really, really cute. This is called Sucka for Plants. I love the little succulent arrangements. This one's in a little mug. And the sentiments: be patient through the dry spells, stay sharp, plantaholic, I'm a sucker for plants, cactus makes perfect. The other stamp is the hang in there. I love the hanging pots. Really cute with the sentiment hang in there. Thinking of you and sorry things kinda suck right now. So great set. And this one's more playful. This is called Stick With Me. You get these cute characters, the cactus with the sombrero hat, the garland, the single cactus pots, and then the sentiments: let's fiesta, stick with me, become the best version of yourself, sorry for being so prickly, and fan cactus. Really cute. I used this one, so it's kind of got ink on it, but yours will be perfect, of course. And then for our Stampin' Die of the month, we've got this really cute stamp set called Cup of Thanks. Love the hand-drawn images, the sentiments: words can't espresso how much you bean to me, like as in coffee bean. You are my cup of tea, a cup of thanks, and you're my favorite human being. Like human being, but human bean, like as in coffee bean. So really fun and punny. The die does come on a magnet, and it will cut out the sentiments for you as well as the images. And all of these items you can get on a subscription, except for the Wonder Die, or you can purchase it as a one-time purchase. So when you subscribe, you get 18% off. You get an awesome discount to the shop. So if you're a frequent, not too shabby shopper, the exclusive discount really comes in handy. So in my next video, I'll be sharing the Paper Pad Club of the month. I'll be doing a really cute, I'll be making some really cute cards with these, both of these paper pads and the ephemera. So stay tuned for that. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you real soon in the next video. Bye, guys.